And look what's trying to sprout up already before the springtime comes. Some more asparagus. Boy, look at those spears. I'm gonna go ahead, like I said, cut back these asparagus bed here where the spears had grown up so fast I didn't get a chance to harvest them in their smaller stage, which would have been better to eat, and then gone and turned into little ferns on them. So I'm gonna cut this area back, clean out these weeds, and wait for the next batch of asparagus spears to sprout out. Tell them that spring is on its way because they are already coming out. Okay, I have most of the weeds up. I'll come back later and finish up some more. But I cut down all of those asparagus that has sprouted up. I'll wait till the next round of asparagus comes up this spring.